Hello guys, good morning. So, November 26 na nga, birthday ng anak ko ngayon. Pero papasok muna ako. So, half day lang ako ngayon. Then, mamaya pag uwi ko, tsaka kami magse-celebrate. So, naisip ko na can't say no challenge kami. Bilang hindi rin naman ako masyadong kinakabahan kapag ginawa namin yun. Dahil kilala ko yung anak ko. Hindi siya yung maturong bata, yung kahit ano na lang turo-turo pag nagpunta kami sa mall. So hindi siya ganun. Abangan nyo yun guys. For now, bye muna. At yun nga, work muna ako ngayon. Bye guys.
Hello guys! Today is my 6th birthday. Mommy will teach a challenge for me. Say no challenge.
Can't say no challenge.
Can't say no challenge. Hi guys! Thank you for all your greetings. Your greetings.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Don't forget
to follow, like, and share. Video again. My video from CapCut.
Yeah.
Hello. Today we're going to Kizuna. My favorite activity is Play-Doh. I see.
Continue talking to them.
Hello guys. We're going to Kizuna.
Make a story.
Once upon a time, I go to Kizuna and then I start playing Play-Doh, and there's going to Kizuna, and we were playing clay in there. But first, we need to catch Lolo and Lola. Then we need to go to Kizuna from Super Malls. We need to go to the second floor.
Alam din kung saan.
Clay in there. I made Mr. Fun Computer, and Mr. Fun Computer is talking on my phone. Then I bring it to home. Mr. Fun Computer was singing. I wish I could go to Kizuna.
Ano ko na 17. And
I need to catch Lola and Lola.
okay, Lola's here. Si Madam Auring.
2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 16, 32. 32 plus 32, 64. 64 plus 34, 128. 128
Lola.
plus 128, 256. 256 plus 256. 512. 512 plus 512. 1024. 1024 plus 4024. 2048. Good game. Okay.
Let's go.
Until your father. Hello. Let's take a flight.
Wow!
And let's do a nose-to-nose. Oh, 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 oh.
Ayun nga guys, magpasok ng mall pa lang, nakita na agad niya ang potato corner na favorite niya. Ang kaso, Christmas party pala nila. So yun, walang potato corner, binasa pa talaga niya yung announcement guys. So ayan,
Nice.
para lang hindi siya magtaka kung bakit. Ayan, so naiintindihan niya. Walang potato corner today kasi party nila. Okay, let's go. Sorry. Nakita niya yung design ng red ribbon na Christmas tree. Tuwan-tuwa siya. Okay, pose. Picture, picture.
It's Jingle Bell. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. All of fun in the jingle.
Thank you. Mazak, here's your cake.
Happy birthday. I got this.
Solo na tapos may
Alin ang iyo? Yan din? Okay. Zach, what do you want?
I don't want some.
Make sure you will eat, ha? One, two, three, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Make a wish first.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I love you.
I love you.
Hi! Happy birthday, Zach! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Zach! Happy birthday to you!
And then more, after more.
Yes, happy birthday, Zach! We love you!
Happy birthday. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Now it's time to eat the lollipop.
Okay.
You can. You can get it.
No.
Just take it out. Pull it up.
Okay.
You can use the tissue. to wipe. Hi.
Excited naman yun. Ay. Ay, bako. Babe. Ay, excited. Pinasabay ko. Baka nga naman magkamali siya. Play agad.
1, 2, 3. Sila sa labas ng ating event area para may space may mga kids natin. Okay, sabi po nila dyan ay backward ang lahat ng kids, everybody backward. O backward muna tayo, kaya po bibigyan namin kayo ng chance para makapag-teacher po kayo dyan. Okay? At makapag-hag. O backward muna tayo. Yung mga kids natin dyan, si MC, forward natin sila ng pag dito. Okay, again po para sa ating mga parents and guards, nasa lang po muna sila sa labas ng ating event area para may space yung kids po natin. Okay, lala dyan. Everybody stand up. Tapos sabi nila dyan, hi kids! Okay, when I say hi, you must say hello. And when I say hello, you must say hi. Okay? Hi! Hello kids! Alright, nag-enjoy mo kayo sa kids na? Yes, meron tayo. We are the team of Kizuna Santa Rosa, and my name is Ate Sheila, and I will be your host for today, together with my partner Ate Jane and Ate Ness. Hi! And of course, very lovely. Say hi to them, Lala Chan. Hi, kids! Okay, ano yung Lala Chan? Okay, kids, pinapatanong ko ni Lala Chan kung kayo ba daw ay marunong mag-share po kayo ni Lala Chan ng aming warm-up class. Okay, mag-upload kayo. Lala Chan. Okay, ano yung mga kaya Lala Chan? Lala Chan, ay? Okay? Okay. Tapos ano ang sunod na oras test ay gagawin na natin si Lala Chan. Okay ba yung kids? Okay, now are you ready? Yes. Huh? Ready? Shake. Right. Then open. Turn around. Again. Then, hooray! Alright, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga kailan ang gagawin na pumandas. Okay, now kids, are you ready mga kayo sa ating sports game? Yes, okay, yes. Tara dyan, everybody, hands up. Shake your hands. Shake your hands. Okay, fine.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, hindi natin yung mga yung malalim para kantay. Okay. Kantay, hindi ako yung sa kabilang side. Dalawa. Okay. Okay. So now, ano yung point ko? Okay, teacher, kasi ako natin sa atin. Teacher, lahat na lahat. Okay, okay. 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 Okay, isa. Okay, hi. Hi. Okay, teacher. Okay, hi. Okay, teacher. Okay, hi. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Yes, mga TV, magpapadalo mga TV. No,
Ito, ano to? Ano to? Wow, may ganun pala-pala ka pang nalalaman.